ThinkPad Yogas always cost a few $100s more than the consumer versions, because of the retracting keyboard, better construction and built-in IT-friendly security features. Adding OLED drives the price up even further, but it'll be at least a few more years before OLED laptops and TVs are as inexpensive as their LCD counterparts. Price as reviewed $2,289. Display size resolution 14-inch, 2560 x 1440 OLED touch display. PC CPU 2.6 GHz Intel Core i7-6600 UPC memory 16GB DDR3 SDRAM 1866 MHz graphics 128 MB Intel HD graphics 520 storage 256GB SSD networking 802.11 AC wireless Bluetooth 4.0 operating system Microsoft Windows 10 Pro, 64-bit. This new X1 Yoga keeps much of the look and feel of previous models, from the low-key matte black color to the red track point nestled between the G, H and B keys, a throwback to an earlier era of laptop computing that feels more like a branding play than a practical navigation tool these days. If you're looking for OLED on a budget, Lenovo also offers a Core i5 version in the US with the same OLED display but half the RAM and SSD storage for $1,682. Lenovo went on to make several variations on the Yoga, including different screen sizes, different colors and higher-end models with watchband-style hinges. But the overall best Yoga design the company produced was the ThinkPad Yoga. This variant, part of the button-down ThinkPad line of business computers, kept the best parts of the transforming Yoga experience, but also added a clever keyboard trick.